Hey guys, it's Mark. Collectible Motor Car of Atlanta has done it again with a super rare 1937 Ford steel body deluxe 5-window coupe. As you can see, this thing is finished in a super slick candy apple red with copper and tan mohair fabric interior. Under the hood, an original 221 Flathead V8 backed by a 3-speed floor shift transmission. This thing is super cool with finish in the tan artillery wheels with original hubcaps. Runs super sweet, super nice. You gotta check this one out. Well, Collectible Motor Car of Atlanta does it again because we do not fail with quality cars. This thing drives fantastic. Doesn't get any better than a steel body 37 5-window Ford Coupe. Nice ventilation with the tilt open windshield. The cowl vent makes it really nice on a hot Georgia day. Super smooth transmission. Gearbox is fantastic. Brakes are solid. Stops nice and straight. And given the fact that it's candy apple red, that's not too bad either. And that Flathead V8, let me tell you, Ford did it right. It's got a great sound. Plenty of pep. This car definitely takes you back to a better time. You can imagine this being your mode of daily transportation because the cool factor here is just unbelievable. It doesn't get any better than a 1937 Ford 5-window deluxe coupe. I love it.